Move over Wacom, there's a new kid in town and they're here to kick your butt. Let's review the Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle.
TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut. Today we're taking a look at the Pen Tablet Medium Bundle from Xencelabs, a tablet company that's been making waves recently as a true competitor to Wacom in both quality, style and tech. Today I'll review the Medium Tablet Bundle, which includes the Medium Tablet itself, the Quick Keys controller, 2 weights of stylus with spare plastic and felt nibs, and a slipcase. So let's get to it. 2 things jumped out at me as soon as I opened the box. The first was the quality of the product. Everything feels very well made, with no flimsy plastic or light, empty feeling like you get with some other tablets. Both pens felt solid and pleasant to use, and the felt nibs are a nice touch for that tactile, paper-like feeling. The quick buttons on the quick keys are satisfyingly clicky, and the LED screen, whilst not mind-blowing, is perfectly serviceable. There's no need for it to be a super high-res display. Even the cables felt high quality, although personally I prefer braided cables as they tend to last a bit longer. The second thing I noticed was the amount of stuff you get in the bundle. The tablet and the quick keys are obviously the main events, but the attention to customer care is what stood out. No other company, to my knowledge, offers 2 styles of pen, lightweight and thin, as well as curved and gripped. This wasn't extra, it was just part of the bundle. The same deal with the slipcase, which is of lovely quality, by the way. It's things like that that really make me believe that Xencelabs cares about the important things: usability, quality of product, and importantly, customer satisfaction. Let's get the specifications out of the way. There's a 10.3 by 5.8 active working area, which is fine for a tablet with this form factor, although I am used to larger working areas. It's got the now industry standard 8,192 levels of pressure and 60-degree tilt recognition, and it weighs nothing at all at 142 grams. Installing the tablet's drivers was very simple. Just download from the website, plug in the wireless dongle, and off you go. The software is well designed, with an intuitive UX for setting up the correct working area, and the customizable buttons for both pens and quick key controller was intuitive and importantly, quick. I can see myself tweaking and evolving the custom settings more and more as I use the tablet, but the default controls worked well to get me started, and the shutter wheel works great for scrubbing timelines when animating. So on to the main event. What's the tablet actually like to use? Well, I'll say firstly that I'm used to using pen displays, not tablets. So there is that disconnect that is inherent to this style of tablet. You draw somewhere whilst looking somewhere else. But that's not a failing of Xencelabs, but pen tablets in general. So I'll try to set that aside in my review. First of all, the larger working area is great. I hate working on small tablets, so the fact that I can get the medium bundle with quick keys and all the other stuff for the price of just a Wacom Intuos Pro Medium is an obvious bonus. The pressure sensitivity feels fantastic, on par with Wacom, and less springy and spongy than Huion or XP Pen, a definite win there. And the felt nibs add that extra level of feedback and friction that stops the slippery feeling of plastic nibs. We love it, an absolute win. Now mine is quite a simple visual style, but I definitely feel that more detailed artists will benefit from the industry standard tilt and pressure recognition. For me, all I know is I managed to get the line work I wanted on a pen tablet with relative ease, which I find difficult being used to a pen display. So that's another win right there. The quick keys are super useful for switching between tools or scrubbing timelines on the fly, and switching between sets of tools is a nice bonus feature. I hate quick key controllers that have no indication of what the button can do, an obvious drawback of any customizable button. So the LED display showing tool names is invaluable to me, especially if you're still learning that muscle memory. Battery life is great, often lasting multiple long drawing sessions before needing recharging, definitely living up to the 16-hour claim. I haven't needed to charge the quick keys yet, but the claim of up to 52 hours seems like that's true too. Honestly, I run out of energy before the tablet does. I'm honestly finding it very hard to find anything bad to say about the Xencelabs Medium Pen Tablet. The one negative is that the drivers do clash with other pen tablet or display drivers, such as Wacom or Huion, so running multiple pen tablet or display combos like I do, with a smaller tablet for quick work and a pen display for longer sessions, can be a bit of a pain. But honestly, that's an industry-wide issue, because no company wants to make it easy for you to use another competitor's product. With that one minor gripe, I can honestly say that my experience with the Xencelabs Medium Tablet Bundle was more intuitive, of better quality, and more cohesive than any other pen tablet that I've used, including Wacom. Highly recommend. So grab one, have fun creating, and do it at a price point that's much less than the competition. Thanks very much for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next time on TipTut.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.